Her educational journey reflects both excellence and versatility. She pursued medical technology at the Central Escolar University, Fine Arts of the Philippine Women's University, and earned her master's degree in public administrator from the Philippine Christian University in Manila. She is a licensed real estate broker, licensed real estate appraiser, licensed professional teacher, licensed interior designer, and a Sharia counselor. Her passion for interior design is evident through her degree in fine arts, major in interior design. Committed to empowering women, she is actively involved in the Filipino Muslim Women's Council. She is also widely recognized for her philanthropic efforts, having spearheaded the construction, design, and planning of the mosque, an impressive achievement at a young age. As the provincial head of National Commission on Muslim Filipinos in Lano del Norte, she achieved a remarkable milestone by ensuring the smooth return of pilgrims with none left stranded. Her strong advocacy for halal certification significantly boosted Iligan City's recognition as a growing halal destination, earning her the endearing title Halal Queen. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a warm round of applause as we welcome Mrs. Princess Almera D. Lukman for her words of wisdom.
Thank you, Mrs. Andy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. I'd like to acknowledge. Thank you for inviting me here at World Hijab Day. And alaikum salam, distinguished guests and students, lalo na po sa school, kay Ma'am Dayan Bahala, Dean of Office of Student Affairs and Services. Thank you for receiving me late kanina. And kay Ustad Abdul Jabbar Mutahir, the Al-Jadis. Hi, sir. Ustad. Welcome everyone to the special celebration of Hijab Day. Today, we come together to honor and appreciate the beauty and significance of hijab. Not just a piece of clothing, but a symbol of faith and modesty and empowerment. Let us start by acknowledging the rich tapestry of diversity that makes our college community so unique. We celebrate not only differences in our appearance and belief, but also the common values that unite us: respect, understanding, and acceptance. The hijab worn by many Muslims around the world is a symbol of modesty and dignity. It represents a woman's choice to cover her beauty as a sign of respect and devotions to her faith. It is also a reminder of inner strength and values that define her character. In celebrating Hijab Day, serve as a power statement against prejudice and ignorance. It allows us to challenge stereotypes and promote a culture of inclusivity and understanding. Let us not forget the empowering message that the hijab carries. It is an expressive symbol of women's agency and autonomy, allowing them to define, express their identity on their own terms. It represents a powerful stance against celebrations of celebration of inner beauty over outward appearances. As we celebrate Hijab Day, let us on the values of respect and acceptance and diversity that the hijab symbolizes. Let us stand together in solidarity, appreciating the beauty of individualities and strength of unity. And I thank PEMSA, Veteranian Muslim Associations, for inviting me here. And doon po din sa 2 days ago, I want to announce also that we're gonna start the construction, I think the remodeling of the prayer room, inshallah. Maybe this weekend we can start, because Ma'am Reggie called me up that we'll be having another program on February 10. There is an Indonesian coming over here. So, ngayon napansin ko, ma'am, na wala palang hijab giveaways for the attendees and not Muslims, so that they can appreciate also. Maybe ngayon, while we are having a program, pwede ko na lang isunod dito. I'm gonna give it so nag-attend dito to your office to give free hijab for the attendees today. Okay? Kasi that's the usual, di ba? Mayroong hijab, may ano, so yun. Papadala ko kay Alfarsi, ma'am, and I'll get the numbers of attendees here. Ayun. Thank you so much, PEMSA, Amang Dayan, and Ustad.